go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Kisay mami.
Pinapakita at pinapadama niya kay Baby Paris yung mga bagay na hindi pinakita at pinadama ng tatay ko sa amin, guys.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. It is Thursday and it's currently 1 o'clock ng hapon. As you can see, Daddy Mike is here. Say hi, Daddy.
Hey.
With his new haircut. Ayan. Do you like your haircut? I like your haircut. What do you think about his haircut, guys? Second day na ganito yung haircut niya. Yeah, it looks cool.
It's good.
It looks good. Daddy Mike and I are on our lunch break now, and it looks really good outside. So sabi ni Daddy Mike, we'll go out and grab something for lunch outside. So we're going to this cafe. Whereabouts is this one, Daddy?
Stanley Avenue in Mount Waverly.
Yeah. So Daddy Mike goes for a walk in the morning, and then sabi niya nung umuwi siya, he found this cafe daw, and it looks good. Hindi pa kami nakapunta doon, guys. Kaya first time namin napupunta doon ni Daddy Mike today, and we'll see if we like it or not.
Yes.
Does it look good from the
Yeah,
outside?
I can't wait to see you walk up the hill.
Oh, is it hilly there?
Yes, I'm gonna make you walk up the hill.
Okay, we're gonna take the car, by the way, guys, because sabi ni Daddy Mike, it's a bit far from here. Alam nyo naman na inuorasan yung lunch break namin. Kaya, we'll make sure that we'll be quick. It is so warm, guys. Oh my God. Hindi ko in-expect to kasi akala ko na maginaw today. But it's sunny and warm. Daddy, show your outfit, B. So this is Daddy's outfit for today. Ayan, show mine, Daddy B. So this is my outfit for today, guys. Ayan, so shoes. Very sporty look lang tayo for today. Do you like my outfit, Daddy?
It's very good. It's very nice.
Alam nyo guys, hindi na sana ako magbibihis. Nakapang ano lang ako, naka-tracksuit, tsaka t-shirt. Pero si Daddy Mike, alam nyo naman si Daddy Mike guys, mahilig din siyang mag, ano yung bang, parang presentable ka talaga. And so like, oh, okay, I'm just gonna change clothes now too. Kaya ayan guys, nakapagbihis na lang ako. So, kaka-park lang namin, guys. And, tingnan nyo ang daan. Pakita ko sa inyo, ha. Malayo pa pala yung cafe, guys. Doon pa daw, oh. Doon pa. Pero si Daddy Mike, gusto niyang maglakad. You know him. He loves the sun. He loves to walk. Kaya dito kami magpa-park. And, ayun na siya, oh. Oh. Iniwan na niya ako. Ayan. Labas na tayo, guys.
Jones Park. Creek.
Which park?
That goes all the way to Jones Park. Jones Creek. Jones Park.
Andun yung aming sasakyan, guys. Oo, pinark namin noon. Ayan. Daddy Mike wants to walk. Tingnan niyo, sobrang daming ano, oh. Mga bushes.
That goes to Jones Park.
Trees. Oh, I love it here. First time ko palang nakapunta sa part na to ng Mount Waverly. Is it still Mount Waverly? Oh, it's beautiful. Very hilly talaga, guys. Tingnan niyo. See? Yung papunta talaga yung pataas. Papuntang langit. Meron silang maliit na creek dito, guys. And this path daw, sabi ni Daddy Mike, is going to the city.
Okay.
Diyan.
20 kilometers.
Oh, yeah. 20 kilometers sa city, guys. Kung maglalakad kayo ng 20 kilometers, makakarating kayo ng Melbourne City.
And you can walk to Chadston.
Oh, ayan. Oh, Chadston Shopping Center, my favorite place. 3.5 kilometers. Tingnan nyo dyan, guys, oh. Ayan. Hello, I love walking in the bush ba? Love that. Sobrang quiet, peaceful.
Very nice houses around here.
Kaganda ng mga bahay. Tingnan nyo, ang lalaki ng mga bahay. Super nice. Dito na kami, guys. Yan pala yung sinasabi ni Daddy Mike na cafe. Ayun na siya sa loob. Oh, lovely. Guys, you won't believe it. So, nandito kami sa cafe next door kasi yung doon, sobrang busy nila, guys, at hindi nila kami accommodate. Kaya sabi ni Daddy Mike, dito na lang kami sa, sa next one. So, yung camera natin ay namatay. I'm using my phone, guys, to get this. Ayan. So, I've got ice chocolate.
Thanks, Rara. Cheers.
Thank you. And that is iced latte for Daddy Mike. Ooh, it's cool. We also ordered roasted nuts. Ayan. Almond. What's that one?
This one's a macadamia.
Macadamia, cashews.
Walnut.
And we got buttered croissant. Alright. Bon appetit. Bon appetit, Daddy.
Bon appetit.
Hapon na, guys. Kakatapos ko lang mag-work. Before natin pick upin ang ating baby girl, we will just get this ready. Ayan. So, meron tayong chicken frames dito na binili ko from the shop the other day. And, look, sobrang cheap, guys. It's only $250 itong chicken frames na to. Gusto ko kasing magsabaw, guys. Alam nyo naman na may pinapadede tayo. Dalawa. Isa lang, guys, ang ating pinapadede. And kailangan natin ng gatas. Ayan. And always sa Pilipinas, diba, guys, sinasabi nila na magsabaw ka para maraming gatas yung i-produce ng katawan mo. I'm not too sure if that's real. Kasi alam ko na may mga moms out there na kahit humigop sila ng humigop ng sabaw, wala pa rin silang gatas. Kaya, yeah, I'm not too sure kung totoo yan, guys. But anyways, I believe in it. So, it's fine. So, ito yung gagamitin natin, guys. Sinigang sa sampalok. Ayan. So, ikakat lang natin siya at ibuboil ng konti. And then, we'll go pick up Paris from the childcare. Si Daddy Mike ay nag-work pa pala, guys. Are you still working, Daddy?
Yeah.
Ay, still working. Ayan. Oh, very funny, guys, today. Kasi, diba na-mention ko sa inyo before na yung sweldo ko kasi, guys, every month. Tapos si Daddy Mike every fortnight. So, kapag nakasweldo si Daddy Mike, guys, always niyang nilalagyan yung account ni Paris. And I think, yan, na-mention ko na sa isang videos natin before na kapag si Daddy Mike nilagyan niya ng pera yung account ni Paris pag nagkasweldo siya, guys, always niyang nilalagyan ng description. So, before, nung baby pa talaga si Paris, yung nilalagay niya, I love you, mga ganon, mga pa-sweet-sweet. Tapos, ngayon, sinabihan ako ni Daddy Mike, guys, last time yung nilagay niya, you owe me. Daddy, did you put once you owe me?
Yes.
Yeah, guys. So, yung nilagay ni Daddy Mike doon, you owe me. Kasi, one day, makikita yan ni Paris kasi parang ibibigay yan ni Daddy Mike kay Baby Paris pag, pag matanda na si Paris. What age do you reckon, Daddy?
What?
18? You're gonna give the account to Paris?
Yeah.
18?
I think.
Yeah. So, yeah, that's what Daddy was saying, guys. So, pag nag-18 na si Paris, Daddy Mike will hand over the account to her. Tapos, makikita ni Paris yung mga, pag naglalagay si Daddy Mike ng pera doon sa account niya. So, last time yung nilagay niya, you owe me. Ganon, natawa talaga ako, guys. And today, yung sabi ni Daddy Mike sa akin, guys, yung nilagay niya today is, eating kana. So, alam niyo yung eating. Natatawa ako, guys, kasi si Paris kasi, guys, pag makanta siya ng yung mommy, yes, Paris, yung mga ganun. So, many times na ngayon na kinakanta niya yan, sinasabihan niya ako na mommy, tapos sabi ko, yes, Paris, eating kana. So, diba, normally, eating sugar. So, sa kanya, guys, eating kana. So, always namin siyang tinatanong kung ano yung eating kana kasi hindi namin alam kung anong kana, guys. Tapos, tumatawa lang siya kapag tinatanong namin siya. So, ngayon, sabi ni Daddy Mike na yung nilagay niya, eating kana sa description. Tapos, maalala namin, pag 18 na siya, pag nakita niya yung description na yun na 18 kana, maybe, I don't know if she can remember. She'll tell us what kana means. But I just think it's very, very funny na ginawa ni Daddy Mike na description yun. Nakakatawa lang talaga, guys. Kasi until now, we don't know what kana means. Palaging sinasabi ni Paris, guys, eating kana. Hindi namin alam kung anong ibig sabihin ng eating kana. But anyways, I just find it very funny and very sweet. Very, very sweet. Kasi na-mention ko na before, guys, na I'm super lucky and I'm super happy na Paris have a daddy like Daddy Mike. Aww. Kasi, yun bang yung tatay na nag-iisip ng future ng kanyang anak. And
bakit ako nagiging emotional ngayon? Nagiging emotional ako guys kasi ito yung pinangarap ko before na pag nagkaasawa ko and pag nagkaanak ako, yung bang responsable na tatay. And that's Daddy Mike, guys. He's very responsible and he always thinks about Paris and he always put Paris first before anything else. And yeah, super lucky ko kasi hindi ko yon naramdaman sa tatay ko. And yeah, kaya sobrang grateful ako ngayon kasi yung winish ko before na sana ganun yung tatay ko, hindi nangyari sa akin, hindi nangyari sa amin ng mga kapatid ko. But Daddy Mike is doing that to Paris. Kaya sobrang saya ko, guys. Yung tatay ko kasi, 'di ba, sabi ko before na iniwan niya kami nung bata pa kami, and even though binibigyan niya kami ng mga pangangailangan namin sa school, binibigyan niya kami ng bigas, pero hinihingi namin yun sa kanya. Hindi talaga yung kusang siya yung nagbibigay. Ni minsan hindi ko na feel na parang nag-save siya para sa future naming magkakapatid. Yeah, it's very painful, it's sad, but it is true. Na ganun siya, guys, parang sarili lang niya yung iniisip niya, na especially ngayon na malalaki na kami, alam niya na may pamilya na ako, I have work, may sarili na akong pera, yung sister ko may munting business na din siya. Yun bang, wala lang, guys, nasasaktan ako kasi iniisip ko ba na sana lahat ng tatay ganyan. Yun bang iniisip yung kapakanan ng anak, na iniisip na pag lumaki na yung anak mo, bibilhan ko siya ng ganito, o para yung bang iset mo na yung future ng anak mo. Hindi ko yun na-feel sa tatay ko, guys. Kaya umiiyak ako. Pag nag-uusap kami ni Daddy Mike, guys, na ganito, ganyan, o minimension niya sa akin na ba makakapag-aral si Paris sa magandang paaralan, may bibigay namin kay Paris yung mga pangangailangan niya. I feel so proud to be Daddy Mike's partner. Kasi yun bang feel ko na naging, anong tawag dito? I've done maybe, good stuff in my past life na ganito yung binabalik sa akin ni God ngayon, na na-meet ko si Daddy Mike at siya yung naging tatay ni Paris. Kasi sobrang responsable lang talaga, guys. Hindi niya naiintindihan, nakikinig siguro yan siya, pero nag-work yan siya. Daddy, I just said, I'm very proud of you. Because you're very responsible. But totoo talaga yan, guys. Walang halong biro yan, guys.
You crying again?
Ha?
You crying again?
Yes, I'm crying. I'm crying. Yun, guys. Nagiging emotional lang ako, guys. Kasi kahit... Ha?
You want to come argue with my underwear?
Yes. Kasi kahit si Daddy Mike, guys, sinasabihan ko yan siya na nagpapasalamat ako sa kanya kasi yun na nga, pabalik-balik ako dito eh. Kasi pinapakita at pinapadama niya kay Baby Paris yung mga bagay na hindi pinakita at pinadama ng tatay ko sa amin, guys. Kaya yun, hala, nagluluto lang na umiiyak. Hala, sobrang emotional ko ngayon, guys. Bakit kaya? Hindi talaga, guys. Uy, yun lang yung gusto ko i-share. Pero alam niyo, guys, kahit ganon, hindi pa rin nagbago yung pagtingin ko sa tatay ko. Hindi nagbago yung pagmamahal ko sa tatay ko. I'm just very happy na lumaki pa rin naman kaming mabuting tao. It just shows na iba-iba talaga yung tao dito sa mundo, guys. And yeah, unfortunately, he is like that. Easy lang naman siguro to siya, guys. Pag umalis kami mamaya, pick upin namin si Baby Paris. i-off namin. At least, parang nag-start na yung pag-boil niya. And then, yeah. Makakain tayo ng sinabawang manok mamaya. Tinola sana yung bibilhin ko na mamasitas, guys. Kaya lang, naubusan sila nung pumunta ako doon. Kaya, sinigang na lang. You don't mind sinigang, Daddy, yeah? Yeah. He loves sinigang, so we're gonna do that. Pipick upin na natin ang ating baby girl, guys. Nandito na ako ngayon sa sasakyan. Hinihintay ko lang si Daddy Mike. Look what I'm drinking. Cider. Ito yung binili ko from the Filipina shop the other day. Ngayon ko lang siya na inom kasi nakalimutan ko na meron pala akong ganito, guys, sa fridge. Pero naubos na yung mga tawag dito, yung mga coconut water ko. Andito na si Sir. Seryo. You got your hat on, Daddy. What happened to your nut, top nut?
Because of the band broke. It always breaks every day.
Yeah, your hair is too thick.
That's not the only thing.
Buang ka.
Let's go.
Let us go.
What are you making?
Paris.
What's that?
Hello, super dirty.
That's a great fish.
It's good na tinali nila yung buhok niya ng ganyan, guys. Oh. Malinis tingnan.
What's that?
How about a cuddle to mommy na? Paris, Nico, how about a cuddle to mama? Show mommy me.
Mama.
What is that? Huh? There's nothing inside. Give mama a kiss. Quick, quick. She's very dirty, ang baby. Ay.
Mama.
Kiss, my love.
Chocolate. Mommy, Daddy.
Yes, come here.
Big mess.
It's a mess. Put it back up. Hello, very dirty. Ang ating baby girl, eh.
Put the toys back.
Put the toys back. Well done, Paris.
Take me.
There you go. Put that one back there.
There's
And
one
this
more.
one.
There's one more.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh.
Oh. Okay, come on, let's go.
Let's go. Where's your bag?
You guys say goodbye first. She's so beautiful.
She is super beautiful. Oh, it's there. Good job.
Wow.
How about your bag? You should drink water. Oh my gosh, she's so big now. Can't believe how big she's gotten.
Come,
The first time I dropped her here, Daddy.
Daddy. Come on, you.
What are you doing?
Okay, let's do it. Come on.
Come on, Daddy.
Come on.
Caterpillar. Jump, jump.
Yay.
Ready?
I jumped the caterpillar now. Wow.
You're funny.
Oh, what's the caterpillar eating?
Right. I got one apple.
One apple. How about the green one? What's the green one up?
It's just a pear.
It's a pear.
I think it's strawberry.
What's this one?
Yes.
That's strawberry, yes.
What's this one?
Orange.
What's this one?
Plants.
This one?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Okay.
The purple. Oh, what's the purple one?
What's this one?
Hey, you know, just read some books. Let's read some books.
Let's read some books.
Hey, Paris. Daddy's got something for you in the car. Yeah.
Yay. To see you next week.
Chocolate.
Maybe.
See you next week, friends.
You have to see. You have to hold Daddy's hand and then you get it, maybe.
No.
No. No. Where's the car?
Yeah.
Careful, Bobby.
The big.
Huh? Can you open the door? Open the door? Can you open the door?
What are you doing? You doing, Mama?
What do you say to mommy?
Please.
Please. Okay.
I want mine.
I want mine. I see that.
How are you?
Are you?
What are you drinking?
Drink juice.
Juice! Plankis na dito eh.
Go.
Where are you going, Nak? Careful. Wait, careful. There's car. Where are you going?
Park.
Park. Bulingit ka with
Daddy.
Daddy. Kiss mama, babe.
Bye, Mama.
Bye-bye, mama. Mommy's gonna go cook dinner, okay?
Mike, get the food out.
Come on, let's go.
Yeah. She wants to bring this guy Situ.
Let's go to the park.
Bye.
Hey, bring
Bye.
food time. Bring food, Daddy.
Bring the food. No, it's okay. Mama's gonna cook it.
Come on, let's go.
Go. Go. Careful, Lady Ha. There might be car, Bob.
Well, that's what I'm saying, Dad. They've got loads
I
coming
want
out.
the cupcakes.
You wanna bring the cupcakes? There's no cupcakes.
I got that.
Go, Papa.
This one. Careful, Becky. There's car. Wait sa kanay car.
Papa Paris.
Careful, Paris. Kakarating lang pala namin, guys. Ayan, oh. Yung mga binili ko from the shops. Careful, because Lola's coming.
Boy, you're Benny.
Yeah, wave. Wave to Lola.
I get cupcake.
Cookie. Okay. Mama will give you one. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Kiss me, mommy. Enjoy with daddy, okay? Mama's gonna cook. Daddy, hold her.
Cook and clean dishes.
No, no, daddy wash dishes. Daddy, hold her.
Oh, fine. I'm watching the Come on.
Ayan. Binili ko sa shop, guys. Oh, nag-stop ako quickly ng pichay para sa ating sabaw. And then we got some grapes and then some cookies, Anzac biscuits.
Nakapaghugas na rin ako ng plato, guys. Very productive tonight. Let's call Daddy Mike kasi papauwi na natin sila nung oras na. Ayan, kasi kakain na tayo ng dinner. It's looking good now, guys. Ang ating mag-ama hindi pa nakauwi. Yan, ilalagay na lang natin yung pechay. Tapos, that's, yeah, ready for dinner. Hi guys! It's now nearly 9 o'clock at night and the family is still on the couch. What are you doing, Paris? Paris, Nico! What are you doing? Are you cooking? At nandito guys, si Daddy Mike ay nagpapahilot ng kanyang paa. And I told Daddy Mike that his foot smells like sinigang. We actually just had sinigang for dinner. Did you like your dinner, by the way, Daddy?
Yeah, it tastes like my foot.
Kasi gusto niyang magpa-ganong-ganon sa kanyang paa, guys. Oh.
Massaging.
And sabi ko, it smells like sinigang.
Keep massaging.
Itong batang ere, guys, okay lang to siya na hindi siya matulog ng maaga. Kasi wala siyang childcare bukas because it's Friday. And i-share natin ang ating positive quote of the day. I'll get you to read the positive quote of the day, please, Daddy.
I know that whatever I need is right here now.
That's correct, Daddy. Yeah. I know that whatever I need is here with me right now. This one. Yes.
Mommy.
Oh, Paris.
This one, Paris.
Play. Push. No, I'm supposed If there's X here, nak, imong i-X na ka. There, oh, X. Hala.
Hila.
Ayun, anak, kay... Gusto... By the way, ano natin yung ating vlog dito, guys. Thank you very much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. And welcome sa ating mga bagong subscribers. Maraming salamat sa pag-consider na mag-subscribe sa ating channel. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung mga vlogs natin. And now we are going to do a quick shout out. And the first shout out goes to Irene Pitua from Bacolod City. Shout out to Joanne Baguhin from Bohol. Shout out to Arlene Hoover in Virginia, USA. Clarice Torres, Ivy Haoshan, Chari Salazar, Luz Tiongson from Tacloban City, Edeline Manosa, Lisan Bansil, Janzi Pinay, Australia. Shout out to Jonah Rees, Jing De Asis, Kay Acosta, hello Sisi. Shout out to Rinar May Ricahuerta, Zel Misiastom, Sharon Ando, Maricel Mabalot ang saya kahit kailan, Vida Feliz, Riz Chano, Angie Bihino, Emma Turing, Norberta Nuno, Patricia Mondoyo, and Veronita Guyano. Yes, my love. How can I help you?
This one.
This one.
This one.
That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up na. No, thumbs up.
Yeah.
And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye.